Hey, 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 what are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Deep hurt can lead to transformation. We've all experienced hurt in the past, even from someone unexpected. Send compassion to someone who has wounded you. In what way did this hurt allow you to grow or transform? Send love to this wound and let it become light. You're so loved. Deserving love. Love not only comes from external sources, it comes from within. You're worthy of love from others, and you're worthy of love from yourself. When you love yourself, you open yourself up to the possibility of love from others and love others. Love is your birthright. Take it up. Storms don't last forever. Just stay calm. Close your eyes and center yourself. Feel your body, your breath. What do you sense? Believe it. You can overcome any difficulty by staying calm in all circumstances. What else do we need to be aware of today? Self-worth. I possess unwavering awareness of my intrinsic worth and significance. I confidently affirm that I am deserving of love, respect, and the abundance that life has to offer. I refuse to accept anything less than what aligns with my true value and embrace the fulfillment I genuinely deserve. Fully immersed. Everything you want is all around you, just waiting for you to see it. The other side. Stay in the flow. Surrender to the rhythm of life, remaining open to opportunities and lessons as they naturally unfold. My mistakes are opportunities to learn lessons. What are some things you've been learning lately? Maybe it's time to share those with others. The Great Gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits and your soul tribe. Blue Dragon from the Pleiades prepares you to accept source healing. Accept a heart activation. Give and receive heart healing. Number 49, peace, calm center, calm mind. The Heart, number 15, what will love do? Surrender. Trust your higher self. He or she knows what to do. Alrighty. Let's see what's in here today. We are most alive when we're in love. The most important decision you will ever make is to be in a good mood. Fall in love with someone who is both your safe place and your biggest adventure. Can't talk butterfly language with caterpillar people. Sometimes the greatest gift you can give another is to simply include them. And the last one today. Being loved requires being seen. You can't find love while hiding. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.